Hi guys, welcome to the How to Crack the Java interview. Today we'll discuss some of the core Java and Java IT interview question asked by one of the interviewer in Wells Fargo interview. We'll discuss these are the very important question. First question is what is metaspace in Java, and second question is find the second largest element in array without using sorting. First we'll go to the first question. What is metaspace? Actually, metaspace is introduced in Java 1.8. Java 1.8 1.8 1.8. It is the replacement of a PUMGen. Metaspace by default auto increase the size depend upon the underlying operating system. PUMGen is always fixed in size. And after Java 1.8, JVM reduced to chance get the automatic out of memory error. It will get chance reduce the chance. JVM reduce the chance to get out of memory error. Actually, metaspace is efficient garbage collection, and PUMGen is not efficient garbage collection. PUMGen actually is part of the Java heap. It is the part of the Java heap, but metaspace is not the part of the Java heap. Metaspace is the part of a native memory provided by the underlying operating system. Okay, in the metaspace you need to consider so many parameters. Means metaspace size, max metaspace size, like that. Hyphen xx, how to declare hyphen xx colon metaspace size. Okay, how to declare max size hyphen xx colon max max metaspace size. Okay, and these are the parameter is there in metaspace. If you set the size like hyphen xx colon metaspace size equal to size, it will set the size of a allocated class metadata space. That will be trigger a garbage collector first time it is exceed first time it is exceed first time it is exceed. Actually, the threshold of a garbage collection increase or decrease depend upon the metadata of used. Then the default size depend upon the platform. Default size of data depend upon the platform. Okay, actually that is the metaspace is introduced in Java 8. Is replacement of a PUMGen, and it is automatically increase the size depend upon the underlying operating system, and it is part of the native memory, but metaspace is the part of a heap memory. It's a part of a native memory provided by the underlying operating system. Okay, and after Java 8, JVM will get chance to reduce the out of memory error. Okay, these are the things in related to the metaspace. Actually, we'll discuss deeply related to the metaspace. What is metaspace size? What is max size? What is mean size? What is max metaspace free ratio? What is mean in metaspace free ratio in next video? But that is sufficient. What is metaspace in Java? That is sufficient. Then we'll go to the next question. Find the second largest element in array without sorting, without using sorting. Okay. First we will go to our tools. We'll go to our tools. So will be okay. Some code is there. We need to remove that code. Okay. Okay. That is my array. Just example. That is my array. error of int array contain element like 12, 23, 34, 13, 45, 56, 7, and first I'll get the length of an array, and I'll write a second method like second largest element. I'll pass my array and length of an array. Then I'll get the second largest element. Okay, what are the logic? First you need to write to that method public static void void. That method name is second largest element. Then I need to pass argument like int array int arr. Okay, int array. Then 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 size of array int 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 n is the size. Then I'll start. Just example, I declare on first is the first element, first and second, int first and second. Okay, first you need to check some condition. If array size is less than 2, then it is invalid. You need to check that condition. If Because if array size is less than 2, then no need to go for that. It is invalid inputs like if n less than 2, less than 2. Okay, then system.out.println, system.out.println, it's invalid, it's invalid, it's invalid. Okay, return. Why it is invalid? If less than 2 means it is contain one element, then no need to go for the second largest element. Then if you greater than 2, then we'll go that first equal to second, first equal to second equal to integer of a mean, integer of the mean value. I declare two variable, int variable first and second, and assign that value as minimum integer dot mean value. Then I start my for loop. Logic is like here int equal to 0, i less than n, I plus plus. Then after that I'll check some condition. If 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 arr of I is greater than first, then if it is greater than first, then need to update. If arr of I greater than first, then update both first and second element, both first and second. If condition is if arr of I greater than first, then second equal to first, second equal to first equal to arr of I. Okay, that is my first condition. Then if error of I is greater than first, then second equal to first, then first equal to error of I. Then else if ARR of I, ARR of I is greater than second, and and ARR of I, ARR of I not equal to first, not equal to first, then my second equal to, if satisfy both the condition, then second equal to ARR of I and equal to ARR of I. Okay, here two conditions are there. First condition need to check if ARR of I greater than first, then second equal to first, then first equal to ARR of I. Then another condition, else if ARR of I is greater than second and ARR of I not equal to first, then second equal to ARR of I. Then after that I'll check the condition. If second equal to, if second equal to integer dot mean value, then system dot out dot println, there is no second largest element, there is no second largest element, no second largest element. Okay, if if then else if else okay, if it is not equal to second, not equal to integer or mean integer, then system.out.println, the second largest element is second element is plus second. Okay, that is the condition. We'll see what is the output. First, main logic is here. Okay, main logic is here. Okay, that is outside. I'll remove one more. Okay, now it is error gone. First condition is if error of I greater than equal to first, if current element is greater than the first element, then I will update both first and second. That is the first condition. Then second condition is if error of I in between first and second, then I will update second. Okay, if error of I greater than second and error of I not equal to first, then second is equal to error of I. That is the main logic here. Then I print, if it is satisfied, then I will print the second largest element. Control S, I'll print. Right click, run as. We'll see what is the second largest element in this array. What is the second largest element of the array? It looks like 45. We'll see which 45 is there. Yeah, 45, because first, that is the second largest element is 56, second largest is 45. Yeah, then that is the logic behind that. Find the second largest element without using sorting or without using any existing method. We'll go to the slide for the next question. Okay, here only two questions are there. Today we will discuss two questions. Okay, we'll discuss some more question in next video. Bye.